Hello. So suppose you purchase some electrical appliance and you come home and you suddenly you find out that it is not functioning properly. आयुष कुमार म्यूट करो. You are Vinod Dua. This is the question, and I will living at Dev Residency. In CBSE questions, you will always be given the name and address. CBSE के कोई भी question में तुमको अपना नाम और address नहीं लिखना है, because your identity should not be disclosed. So always the name and the address will be given. So you recently purchased a Sony LED TV, a 14-inch Sony LED TV. After a few days, you discovered that it was not functioning properly. It was not functioning properly. So how? Write a complaint letter. Hello, can you hear me, all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So the format of the complaint letter is the same as all the formal letters. First of all, you write the address. So here the name and the address is given. Here the address is already given. Dev Residency. Patna. Then you have to leave one line and then you write the date. And date, how you should write? Date should be written like this. You cannot write 2.7/2020. You cannot write in that way. You always have to write the date in this way only. So after date again you will leave one line and then you will write the manager, the address of the addressee. तो अब मैनेजर, दुकान के मैनेजर को लिखना है, जिस दुकान से तुमने टीवी खरीदा उसके मैनेजर को कंप्लेंट लेटर लिखना है. तो दुकान का नाम लिखोगे. That will be mentioned in the question. Here I haven't mentioned, but the name of the shop and the address will also be mentioned in the question. Is it clear to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
So Aditya Vision, दुकान का नाम लिखते हैं. So format is the same as of all the formal letters. On the top you have to write your own address, very short, 2 lines is enough. Then you have to leave one line and you have to write the date. In the date you have to write the name of the month in words. You cannot write it in numbers. Then you have to write the डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द एड्रेसी. आप किसको एड्रेस कर रहे हैं अपने लेटर, दुकान का नाम, वो कहाँ पर सिचुएटेड है, राजा बाजार, पटना. Then again you leave your line. Then third, madam, you don't know whether the store manager is a male or a female. So sir या madam. Then you leave one line again and you write subject.
मैम
हाँ बोलो।
मैम आपकी आवाज का स्पीड बहुत कम है, थोड़ा बढ़ाइए ना।
स्पीड, अच्छा।
यस मैम।
ओके।
क्या वो नींद आ रहा है क्या?
Now it is all right. Hello.
यस मैम।
To replace or repair, then you will start the body of your letter. So complaint letter, you can use the words like regret. So I regret to inform you that नहीं, I recently purchased a 14-inch Sony LED color telescope. मॉडल नंबर जो भी दे दोगे, इट्स व्हाटएवर इट इज, फ्रॉम योर शॉप. For a few days it worked well. कुछ दिनों तक वो ठीक काम किया. For a few days it functioned well. Well, but gradually the screen became blurred and hazy. Screen जो है क्लियर नहीं था, ब्लड और हेजी हो गया. Screen became blurred and hazy. The sound quality also deteriorated. So first you have to write which model television you purchased from the shop, and then you have to write what problem came in that thing. Whatever, this is a television, suppose you purchase any other appliance, suppose you purchase an iron, so you purchase the what model of iron you purchased, when you purchased it, and then what became wrong with that, उसमें क्या गड़बड़ी आ गई, that you have to write. So here you are writing what went wrong with your television. You are being specific, क्या हुआ उसमें, but gradually the screen became blurred and hazy. The sound quality also declined. मतलब आवाज का क्वालिटी भी खराब हो गया. So I request you change the paragraph. So I told you how to change the paragraph. You have to leave one complete line and start from the margin. So I request you either send the service engineer. विराज सिन्हा, म्यूट करो माइक को. So I request you to send the service engineer to repair or as it is still in the warranty. Replace it replace it as it is still in the warranty period. लिखा नहीं रहा. Hello. Replace it as it is still in the warranty period. Then the details of the television are given below. फिर तुमको अपना टेलीविजन का मॉडल, and you can also mention the cash memo number. You know what is the cash memo number? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Bill number.
Bill number. So the details of the TV are given below. थोड़ा मेरा writing खराब हो रहा है. सोनी LED डिटेल्स पूरा देना, फिर सोनी LED मॉडल नंबर, कैश मेमो नंबर.
मैम डिटेल्स लिखने के लिए पैरा चेंज करना है?
नहीं, डिटेल्स लिखने के लिए पैरा नहीं चेंज करना. तो डिटेल्स अपना दे देना, सोनी LED मॉडल नंबर. होप यू विल respond as early as possible. So yours faithfully. क्या नाम दिया हुआ था? क्या नाम? You'll write the name. Is it clear how to write? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So any you purchase and it is not functioning properly, so first you will write the, so Vinod Dua नाम है, तो यहाँ जो है नाम, yours faithfully Vinod Dua. So the format is the same for all the formal letters. On the top, your own address, you will leave one line, then write the date, then leave one line, then designation and the address of the receiver, designation of the receiver, address of the receiver, then leave one line, then sir, then subject, and then the body of the letter. So in these kind of letters where you purchase something and it is not functioning, you'll write the model and what you have purchased, very specific, everything, किस कंपनी का है, किस मॉडल का है, और अचानक उसमें क्या खराबी आ गई, that you will mention. The screen became blurred and hazy, the sound quality also declined. So I request you to either send the service engineer to repair it or replace it as it is still in the warranty period. And then you write all the details. Details have written one below the other. You can write it in a line form also. Sony LED, comma, model number, this cache memo. Hope you will respond as early as possible. No, you can write it in 2 paragraphs. So it's clear, all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
मैम
बोलो कुछ।
अगर ब्लैकमेलिंग का लेटर लिखना हो तो वो कैसे लिखेंगे? मतलब बॉडी कंटेंट क्या से स्टार्ट होगा?
ब्लैकमेलिंग का नहीं समझे।
मतलब जैसे कि ये कंप्लेनिंग लेटर था,
हाँ।
वैसे ही हमको किसी को ब्लैकमेल करना है, उसके लिए लेटर लिखना है, तो उसका बॉडी कंटेंट कैसे स्टार्ट होगा? मतलब बिगनिंग लाइन क्या होगा?
जैसे मैंने वैसे
बताइए।
ब्लैकमेलिंग ये थोड़ी सिलेबस में है, जो सिलेबस में है वो। हाँ, यस, ब्लैकमेलिंग।
हम जस्ट फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन पूछ रहे थे। जस्ट फॉर
किसी को ब्लैकमेल करेगी, मत बताइए।
कुछ गड़बड़ है।
No, these things we won't discuss. Come on, we'll move to grammar exercises. Okay, so कंप्लेंट लेटर का एक होमवर्क भेज देंगे स्नैप होमवर्क पे, तो उसको तुम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर लेना लिखने का एक। So here exercise is visible on your screen. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So words are given and you have to choose it. It is fill in the blanks. In your CBSE question, you get these, in your CBSE question paper, you get these kind of questions. Fill in the blanks you get, then you get error, correction, omission, jumbled words, and then narration in dialogue form. 4 or 5 kinds of questions you get. So we will practice this. As a small boy, I used to play cricket with my mother. She used to bowl dash me. Words are for, and, over, to.
Ma'am, for me.
मैम
फॉर मी होगा।
For me के लिए वो बोल करती थी।
मैम एट मी मैम।
क्रिकेट, हाँ नहीं
एट मी
नहीं, एट मी नहीं होगा। माँ के साथ
ओवर।
हाँ बोलो, what will not at, not for. So 2 more options are left. 2 तो हो ही गया। Hello.
मैम ओवर।
हाँ
मैम ओवर
नहीं, ओवर भी नहीं, अब एक ही बच गया, वही होगा।
मैम टू मैम।
2. So she used to bowl to me. Yes. Then there was dash space, so she would kneel and throw the ball gently. There was few, little, hardly any. Few.
मैम लिटिल।
Yes, Ayush, your answer is correct. Ayush, your answer is correct. Little. There was little space. For B, the answer is little. There was little space. There was little space. So in the second blank, you will have the word little. So she would kneel and throw the ball gently.
To me.
To me. Yes, to है और pronoun भरना है इसमें. Yes, Soumya, your answer is correct. To me. Once I hit hard and hit her dash the nose. Once I hit hard and hit her. Options are in, for, on, into.
मैम ऑन।
On the nose. Yes, your answer is correct. Ayush, answer is correct. Why only few students are answering? It's nothing difficult. All of you should try. Bowl to me in a small room, little space, me on. चलो हम लोग का सारा आंसर सही. Then rearranging. Rearrange the following words or phrases to form meaningful sentences. It's visible? दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पहला वर्ड है
Yes, ma'am.
railway station. My parents one evening along with to the I went.
Ma'am, I went to the railway station with my parents on evening.
Along छूट गया आयुष.
Ma'am, I went to the
Auntie,
railway
पहले form
station
करो.
along with my parents in the evening.
Along
One evening है.
one evening है. और along तुमने include किया है आयुष?
Yes, ma'am, along बोल दिया.
आप फिर से बोलो.
Ma'am, I went to the railway station along with my parents one evening.
गलत है.
I went to the railway station. हमको बहुत ठीक नहीं लग रहा है ये.
Ma'am, one evening, ma'am, आगे होगा शायद. One evening I went to the railway station along with my parents.
हाँ ये ठीक लग रहा है. One evening I went to the railway station hello
Yes, ma'am.
along with
Yes, ma'am.
my parents. Along with my parents. So this is looking correct. One evening I went to the railway station along with my parents. I went to the railway station along with my parents one evening. One evening last में थोड़ा सा अटपटा लगा. Then second is crowd at counter. There was the ticket.
There was a huge crowd at
And there
the
was a
ticket
huge
counter.
crowd at the ticket counter.
Okay, very good. Prince Raj, चलो तुम कुछ तो attempt किए. Prince Raj, you have answered.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. All of you should make an attempt. There was a huge crowd at the ticket counter.
At the ticket counter.
Yes, there. And one thing also, remember to begin your sentence with a capital letter. Sometimes what you do is you start your letter with small alphabet. You shouldn't do that. There was a huge crowd at the ticket counter. There was a huge crowd at the ticket counter. Yes. Third one. Their voices.
The hawkers were shouting.
Their voices at the hawker's top of were shouting. Not Soumya, any other student. Soumya has
The
answered.
hawkers were shouting.
The hawkers were
Top of their
shouting.
voices.
Not Soumya and not Ayush. Two or three. Mute yourself. और सौम्या आयुष को छोड़कर और कोई आओ.
The hawkers were shouting at the top of their voice.
Yes, Sneha, very good. The hawkers were shouting at the top of their voices. Yes, the hawkers were shouting at the top of their voices. The fourth one is a bit lengthy, but it's easy. Arrived, started, compartment, the passengers from one running to another, the train and. It's lengthy, but it's very easy. Try it.
The train arrived and the passengers started running from one compartment to the other.
Yes, Soumya, your answer is correct. The train arrived and the passengers started running from one compartment to the other. The train arrived and The train arrived and the passengers started running from one compartment to the other. Running from one compartment. All of you should make attempt. Only few students are active. Why is it? एक तो तुम लोग बहुत कम लोग आते हो क्लास करने. See, in other sections, most of the students are participating. A और I का report देखते हैं. 80% participation, 90% participation is there. What your classmates think about themselves, that they are expert in language, they don't need to study.
वो लोग हर सब्जेक्ट में अपने आप को एक्सपर्ट समझते हैं.
हर सब्जेक्ट में तो पता चलेगा ये बोर्ड का ये है. ऐसा नहीं, हम लोग टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं. Every class we prepare and we try to give something meaningful to the students. But still, if you have a very high opinion of yourself, nothing can be done. तो कन्वे कर देना उन लोग को कि ऐसा नहीं है कि टाइम वेस्ट होता है, कि फायदा ही होगा अगर ज्वाइन करेंगे तो, या तो कुछ एक्टिविटी या कुछ नया बताया जाता है. So we'll check our answers. All around one evening I went along with my parents. इसमें भी शुरू में ही दिया हुआ है. One evening I went along with my parents to the railway station. There was a huge crowd at the ticket counter. This is also correct. The hawkers were shouting. The train arrived and the passengers started running. Now this is the third exercise. Again, this is error correction. Error correction also you get in your CBSE. In every paragraph, there is one mistake and you have to find out the wrong word and the correct word. So first sentence is that during a summer holidays, I accompanied my friend from his village. What is the mistake in the first line? Hello?
मैम फ्रॉम की जगह टू होगा.
नहीं, पहला लाइन में पहला during a summer holidays I
दिया हुआ है ना, और की जगह द होगा.
हाँ ठीक है, दिया हुआ है. यस. तो दूसरे में अच्छा, तो
फ्रॉम की जगह टू होगा.
टू accompany के साथ टू लगता है. With accompany you always use the word to. Accompany means what?
साथ देना.
मतलब किसी के साथ जाना. I accompanied my mother to the market means I went along with my mother to the market. It was a small place consisting of about 200 houses. The villagers are simple people and very hospitable.
आर की जगह वर्ड होगा.
वर्ड होगा आर की जगह.
आर के जगह वर्ड होगा. Yes, because the passage is in the past tense, the sequence of the tense should be maintained. It was a small village. The passage is in the past and very hospitable. The villagers were very simple and very hospitable. You know the meaning of hospitable? What is the meaning
yes.
of? What is it?
मेहमान में जो मतलब बहुत अच्छा हो.
Mehman Nawazi means taking good care of the guest. That is being hospitable. You take good care of your guest, then you are a hospitable person. And very hospitable. So the villagers, they take good care of their guests. Atithi Devo Bhava. The natural scenery or fresh air were very soothing. The natural scenery or fresh air. Very good, Ayush. Only few students are answering. What about others? दूसरे को भी chance दो अब तुम लोग. And the natural scenery and fresh air were very soothing. I stayed here for 3 days and enjoyed myself in the lap of nature. I stayed.
Here की जगह there. Here की जगह there होगा.
I stayed there. Yes. So here. Okay. So during the book week celebrations in your school, you were asked to speak on the importance of books. You made the following notes. Complete the paragraph that follows. So some hints are given, and on the basis of that, you have to complete the paragraph. Which tense will be appropriate? What word you will use? You can have more than 2 or 3 words. By reading books, our knowledge
increases.
Yes, increases. By reading books, our knowledge increases. Widens outlook. Reading also helps us in
Widens our outlook.
नहीं, widens our outlook नहीं होगा. कहाँ suitable लग रहा है? Reading also helps us in widens our outlook. Is it looking appropriate? Reading also helps us in widens our outlook.
Widening our outlook on life.
Yes, widening. Yes, correct. Widening. 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 This widening our outlook on life. Reading book also provides us with dash. With which form of word you will use? बस उसका form
Relaxing mind.
Relax.
Others answer. सृष्टि आंसर करो. विराज answer. विराज. Oh, let others answer करो. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Prince Raj, you answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Prince Raj, reading also.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading books also provide us with dash, especially when we are under stress.
Ma'am, relaxed mind.
Relaxed mind.
Relaxed.
Relax. अच्छा सौम्या तुम ही बताओ. You wanted to answer, सौम्या?
Yes, ma'am. तो मेरा भी आंसर relaxed mind ही था.
With relaxed mind, with relaxation.
Oh.
With relaxation, especially reading books also provides us with relaxation, especially when we are under stress. Books are also instrumental in dash us cultured and refined.
In making us.
Making.
Making, yes. Okay. So now we have dealt with all the kinds of formal letters. In the previous classes, I told you how to write the letter for order and how to write the letter for enquiry. Letter to enquiry we have done. जानकारी लेने के लिए कैसे लिखते हैं? Hello. Order तो बताए थे. I remember that I told about letter for placing orders. How you have to make the table and then you have to mention where you need the order, between which timing, and you all the things should be in good condition. Those things you have to mention, and payment will be made after the items or the
मैम एक बार फिर बता दीजिएगा.
ठीक है, बता देंगे. We have ample time. Literature only few things are left, so repeat कर देंगे, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं. I just want participation of the students. I'm not satisfied with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
participation. तो बता देंगे फिर से. और ये 4 तरह का फॉर्मल लेटर है मेनली. So you have letter of placing order where you order something in bulk. Then you have letter of inquiry. कोई भी चीज का जानकारी चाहिए तो वो हुआ letter of inquiry. Then you have this complaint letter, any kind of complaint. ये तो हम लोगों ने लिखा कि कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस खराब हो गया उसका कंप्लेंट. You can have many other kinds of complaint letter. Suppose there is recently there has been an increase in crime in your locality. Chain snatching, kidnapping, other things have robbery.